Okay, what'd you get?
I got my mushroom spores. I'm so excited. Woohoo! Finally,
All the way from Massachusetts.
Almost a
down
month
to
after
Florida.
I ordered them. I'm so excited.
Just hit.
I got it.
See?
So I'm pretty impressed with the first box. Looks like the mushrooms are already forming. Very well myceliated bags here. Very well myceliated. Made the mushrooms start to pin because of the cold. And I think that's a good thing too. Except for my pink oyster. It's not fully myceliated. It's pretty good. And it's also starting to pin in the bag. So I'm going to cut some holes by the pins there. And we'll see if we get some mushrooms. Very, very excited. First box. Hi, Jamie.
Hey, Vicky.
Tell me about your videos that you're filming.
I'm filming Vicky's Greenhouse Adventures. And we've got one posted so far.
What was it called?
Vicky's Greenhouse Adventures.
What's it called?
Vicky's Garden Adventures.
Uh-huh. And then what happened?
And neither one of us can remember the YouTube channel name. Which is fine. We knew it is.
We can't send anybody
We knew
to
it
it.
is, so we're direct people to a channel that doesn't exist. That's okay. It's fine.
And then what?
So today we got some mushroom spores in. Got 12 bags from a company that will remain nameless. You can see some mushrooms forming in some of these bags, like this one here, which is a blank tag. Don't know what it is.
Yeah, it'd have been nice to know what they are, but as they form, I guess we're going to be able to figure it out.
So it cost us 250 smackers. Hopefully it'll grow.
Mm-hmm. And I was really excited because they're really myceliated, some of them, and since they're not marked, we'll do the best we can, and we'll see and we'll let you know. Anything else, love? And what's the name of our
Vicky's Garden Adventures.